All right, am I in focus? I don't know what I'm thinking with all this ring light and color temperatures and, man, get this thing out of here. So, all right, so here we have it. So yeah, sometimes just doing it in post doesn't cut it for me or anybody else. Should always be experimenting with analog things, real things, hardware. I think it's easy to get caught up in the idea that we have this amazing toolbox as editors, as filmmakers, as people who use After Effects and Photoshop and Lightroom and Final Cut and Premiere and all these sort of like tools. Sometimes when you're limited to baking something directly into your camera, into your image, it makes you think about what you want to use it for specifically. You know, you really have to put a lot of thought into the idea and into pros and the cons of using that and baking something into your image. And sometimes just taking a risk, man. You just gotta go for it. Say like, hey man, I think the sky looks pretty cool when it's faked orange like this right now, right here. I don't know if I would remember to do something like that in post when I was in the edit. You know what I mean? So can kind of give you a different flavor here and there. And it's cheap. I was like 15 bucks or 20 bucks or 10 bucks. I mean, you can get them online, but I prefer to go to old camera shops and just spend an hour in there on a Saturday or Sunday and have a conversation with people and look at old gear. And sometimes I spend money and sometimes I don't, but I just love that sort of thing. So anyways, just a short video. I didn't want to make it too complicated because I'm under this self-imposed pressure of posting every week and come hell or high water. So here we are with another video this week. I will see you guys soon. Orangey, 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 orangey. All right, ciao.